Hi guys, so today we will be trying food from and snacks from the supermarket. So coming up first are these birthday cake Oreos. Let's have a bite. These hit. These are good. They got some sprinkle inside them. Coming up next is Feastables. I know the package is ripped because this is my second time retrying the video. Now let me give it a bite. This is peanut butter, by the way. It's good. Okay, no, you have to leave now. Okay. Coming up next is this honey Greek yogurt parfait. Got some granola at the top right here with some fruits inside. So let's just open this. So here you go. First of all, I want to take this off. Put the granola in there. Put this right here for now. And let me go get a spoon. So let's mix it. So now it's all mixed up, and this is how it looks, and we're gonna give it a taste test. Some blueberry, strawberry, granola. Okay, this is pretty good. Now let's rate all the foods. First, the birthday cake Oreos, I'll give it a solid 8 out of 10. The Feastables, oh man, they're good. 9 out of 10. And this, it's healthy, plus it tastes good. So a 10 out of 10. Okay, bye. See you later.